Hey folks, Toki here with Random Makers, and today I'd like to do a couple tool tips all in one. All around, great for hanging, securing, all that. It's also a pretty good tool for making a compass. Now, you're going to need to cut a piece off to make a compass. How do you do that? Well, if you don't have a set of side cutters, which work well, you don't have a set of tin snips, which work even better, you could even use a crescent wrench. So, what you're going to do is you're going to figure out how much you need. I want to draw a 5-inch circle, so I'm going to measure from the center out 2.5 inches, and I'm going to make sure I have enough loops to make it past that. Then you're going to go ahead and tighten down the crescent wrench until you are at the point at which you want to cut. Then you're going to bend it 90 degrees and then back again, and you're just going to keep bending it until you wear through the metal and it breaks. Just like that. Obviously cutters are a little faster and a little better, but in a pinch, that works just fine. So, usually you're doing a 5-inch hole for cutting out for a pipe or a, toilet flange, something like that. So, you're going to be cutting it out anyway, so go ahead and on your center, you're going to screw it down. Matt, for some reason, likes DeWalt. I guess it's the homeowner in him. I'm a bit of a Milwaukee, but we do what we can with what we have. So, you're going to go ahead and that is your center. You're going to pull up on it and down and create a little pyramid there, or I guess angle, until you have made it to where your mark is supposed to go when you are pulling it out with the pencil. So, there's my mark. There I am, there's tension on it, and you're going to go ahead and draw a circle. You're going to draw a circle on this rough piece of wood. There we go, haha! I bet it almost looked professional, didn't it? And there you are. That's how you cut a piece of all-around without cutters, and how you use it as a compass. If you wouldn't mind today, we would definitely like it if you subscribed and liked our videos. So, have a good one.